And I'm Jenny.
And I'm Paul.
And we are with the Gogh Art Crate. And we are going to show you what is coming up in our December box, which just shipped.
Yep.
So let's have a look.
Let's take a peek.
Okay, we got our Tiffany box, blue box, with the fun tissue paper inside. And let's check out what's under it. First time subscribers, you'll get your set of brushes, which you can use for all the upcoming projects.
The same brushes we use when we teach.
Same brushes. Famous artist sticker is Vasily Kandinsky with a nice colorful painting and some fun text on there, quote. Gogh coaster, which we use often as a template for tracing a moon shape or a sun shape or whatever shape ends up needing to be a circle of that size.
It also keeps your beverages condensation off your table.
It does. And our welcome postcard tells you a little bit about the roots of our company, and then there's information on the back on lots of different ways to access the video tutorials. This month we get a December postcard. It talks about the projects and gives a holiday recipe on the back. Finished ribbon cakes, which I make every single year at this time, probably several batches.
And this is the first time we've included a recipe along with our subscription box, but this is a fantastic recipe that Jenny's been making for years.
Yes. So here's our project sheets. So we have 3 projects. You get 3 canvases, and you can use these to work along with the video, or you can just access them whenever you want. Some people do these without the video. 100% up to you.
Yep.
We've got our paint roll. Let's take a look.
We call those the paint burrito.
That wasn't very glamorous.
It looked good.
So these are our colors, just the primary colors this month, and we show you how to do some color mixing.
For those of you who are new, we oftentimes do include additional colors outside of the primary colors.
We do. Every month is different.
Let's take a look at our projects this month. We've got a couple that Jenny put together that she'll be teaching via live stream next week.
These 2 are going to be taught simultaneously in the same video. It should probably be, I'm going to guess, about an hour and a half-ish. Don't hold me to that, but I'll try to get it in an hour and a half. Snowman and the Fox. I wanted to do a daytime scene and a nighttime scene. And let's have a look at yours. I'll move these aside.
There we go.
So Paul's is a panoramic landscape called Twilight Woods. It's got some snow on the ground and a little clearing. And we get to learn clouds, which is super important.
Yeah, I think clouds are one of the most challenging but most rewarding things. And these particular clouds, when we get into them, are actually going to be a nice entry into learning how to paint clouds.
Yep, and you do a good job teaching them.
Yeah.
So that's what we've got coming up. And we'll see you on the video. I hope you take some time to yourself. This is a crazy time of year. And it's important to take some me time and do some painting.
Absolutely. So next week we'll send out an email blast, probably on Tuesday, that'll let you know exactly the date and time of the live stream for Jenny's videos, which we're planning for next Tuesday. My video will be the following week, and we'll do the same thing. We'll send out a reminder. But another thing you can do is make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notifications. And that way, once we schedule those live streams, you'll get a notification saying that they've been scheduled.
Yep.
So, with all that said, we'll see you next week.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
La 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 la, cacapopo.
Cacapopo.